Hey guys, Dr. B here. With the summer upon us, I just wanted to bring you another video just to talk about a couple of heat-related illnesses that are very common, especially this time of year. And those two would be heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Now, in our clinic, we see a lot of athletes, especially soccer athletes, and with the outdoor season approaching, just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of information so that you can be prepared in case you are experiencing any of these symptoms. Don't forget, these two conditions are medical emergencies. If you are experiencing any of these signs or symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. So let's jump right into it. First off, heat exhaustion, heat stroke, very common, and they also share a few similar signs and symptoms such as fatigue, headache, nausea, vomiting, dizziness. But there are some key differences, and I'll go into those right now. And then once I finish that, I'll give you a few tips just to make sure that you can stay safe through the summer months. So, as far as heat exhaustion is concerned, couple of key points you want to notice. With heat exhaustion, you may experience excessive thirst. That is important. Excessive thirst, you'll experience cold sweats with clammy skin. Don't forget that, clammy skin. You may get muscle cramps or weakness as well. Also, you may experience a slow heart rate. And these are key points to remember, and these are going to separate heat exhaustion from heat stroke. Now, with heat stroke, you don't necessarily have to experience any of the signs and symptoms related to heat exhaustion. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. But the important things to know about heat stroke are that you're going to have flushed, dry skin. Little to no sweating. Your skin will feel hot to the touch, and you may experience an increase in body temperature up to 104 to 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, you may experience blood in the urine, you may have shortness of breath. Also, you may experience some delirium or confusions and possible loss of consciousness. So that's what distinguishes the two. Now, a couple tips you want to kind of keep in mind is that if you are going to be outside, try to stay in the shade. Wear loose-fitting clothing. If possible, you don't want to retain that heat with tight clothing. Also, stay hydrated. That's probably the number one thing. Stay hydrated, drink lots of water. Try to stay away from the sugary beverages, because that can actually cause you to lose water weight and kind of dehydrate you from the inside out. So kind of stay away from those. Also, wear lots of sunscreen, but if possible, stay indoors, stay in the air conditioning, and stay cool. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this helps. Feel free to contact me on Instagram @SportsPod or Twitter @TheSportsPod, #AskDrB. Hope that helps. Have a good one.